Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. All right, let's get started drawing our fun pear. I'm going to use a Sharpie today, and if you use a Sharpie, just put a piece of paper underneath. And if I ever go too fast, press pause. All right, let's start our pear. So the very first thing we're going to do is the top middle of our paper. We're going to draw our stem and our leaf. Pear has a very little stem, and my stem is going to go this way. I'm going to make a curved line like that and then just come on down until it meets. Then I'm going to draw a leaf right here. The shape of my leaf is going to touch this line, then it's going to curve out and go up. And then I'm going to come from this point, go down, out, and come back in and meet that point. And then I can make my leaf detail just like that. Now my pear is going to come behind the stem, curve in, go back out like this. So it does help before you draw to go ahead and get the shape and just pretend to draw it before you start. That always helps me. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to start here about midway through our stem. We're just going to draw a curved line going down. It's going to go in just a little bit and then curve back out and come all the way around. And then as it's starting to come around, you're going to curve in just a little and curve back out until you're going to meet that line there. So it's just a fun little wonky shape. And then right where our stem is, we're going to draw a line like this, and it's going to go up. Now our pear is going to have a face. So we're going to draw eyes on both sides. I drew my eyes lower on the fatter part of the pear. I'm going to make 2 circles inside the pear's eyes. Fun little lines for the eyebrows. And then go ahead and color on the outside of these little circles inside the eye. It's just a little detail that I like to do that shows light in the eye. And I think with my pear, I'm going to draw some fun eyelashes. Just like that. Now my pear will have just a cute little side smile because the shape isn't completely perfect, so his smile's not going to be either. It's just going to go off to the side like that. But you could draw any kind of smile you'd like. And then I'm going to add some little detail shapes on each side of the pear's cheeks. Big circle and a little circle. Now the fun part is coloring. Today I'm using different shades of green, pink, a yellow, and brown. So follow along. So I added some fun detail. I started with a darker green on the outside and worked my way in and got lighter as I went towards the inside of my pear. I am now going to add a really fun detail, and just follow along and watch me. I'm going to use the middle shade color green, and I'm just going to draw lines going down and then going the opposite way. And I move my paper around. That's okay if you don't. Let's do it. There is our pear today. I hope you had a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.